Hello and welcome to another update video about Aave. A lot of requests this week. Aave holds really nicely the bullish micro setup here that we discussed in I think the last video, and certainly we can see this as a three-wave move up at the moment. The fourth wave still missing. Maybe the fourth is already in. That's certainly a possibility, but it would be a very shallow one. We haven't even reached the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement. That's normally what you would expect, not as a minimum. The minimum is the 23.6, but if it doesn't even get to the 38.2, then it was a very, very shallow wave 4. But again, it could be in already. We have a potential first wave. Unfortunately, it didn't break above the previous high. If that had that been the case, I would say that this was certainly a a wave 1 already, and we're now coming down in 2. Yeah. Of 5, because as long as the $71 level is holding, we can still expect that fifth wave. Okay, so I'm still waiting for one more wave up. As long as we're holding $71, that's a bullish micro setup. And what else can I say? I mean, again, this was probably an A wave down. Then my view is this should have been a B wave, and we probably come down in C. That would be my preferred option. Basically my primary, if you want to say it like that. Now, I don't know if this becomes eventually a triangle. It could become an Elliott Wave triangle. So again, here the message again that don't be so confused about and fussed about what the lower level wave count is. In a correction, especially here where you have a clear triangle pattern evolving, this could become something just that lasts a bit longer. A, maybe even here B, C, D, E, which could then eventually push to the upside from here. Other interpretations are possible how the triangle could emerge, for example, in an A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, E wave, and then go up. Or it's just, at this stage, impossible to say if that's a triangle or just an AVC, because this could also be an A wave down, a B wave up, basically a flat pattern, and we now come down in C. I would personally prefer that, so that it at least reaches the ideal level of the 38.2 Fib. That has to be the primary expectation normally, because probabilities would suggest that the 38.2 is in most cases reached in a wave 4. But again, we touched again our support area twice already, and if you're interested in getting in here, you could have set already a small position at the top. But again, ideally, I would like to see it in the middle here at around $76, and from here it could then move up in a fifth wave. Still have that target for the fifth wave based on the latest or on the last low here. Ideally, target-wise here, it would reach $102. So $100 plus, I would say, is a possibility in this fifth wave. If we come down a little lower, I'm going to buy into Aave just to trade the fifth wave. If not, then not. Then I'm going to wait for the pullback after the 5 waves up. That we already had 5 waves, I don't think so. Yeah, we only have 3 here at this stage. So the risk is, if we come down now and break below $71, there is a large risk that a wave 2 support will not hold, and that we will eventually make a new low. This chart has become a bit unreliable when it broke after the November, after the FTX crash, and made a new low basically, and came down to the 88.7 Fib and even broke below that. So in most cases, these counts don't work out anymore, and therefore the medium term I have concerns. But of course, if we get 5 waves up, it might maybe even break above that $99 level up here, or $98.50, and then we can gain some confidence again. But as so often, it will be the pullback after the 5 wave move that will give us a hint if the chart can hold the trend change. Yeah, so nice, we see a micro trend, but that doesn't suddenly change the daily chart to an uptrend. Okay, so be aware of that. It will be that pullback, but until then, this acts as support area and as a micro trade setup for a long trade in a wave 5. Okay, that's my update about Aave. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.